So now I have me, I have my skills. And then I want to add my education. Do image upload again. So I choose file. And choose my education file and hit select file upload. There's education. Now I need to add my content editor. So I've got my skills, my license, my education. And then if I hit save page, all those boxes go away and everything kind of comes into the center. A couple of other things that I can do is click edit this page. And let's say I want to add a video that I've created. I'm going to take my video and I want to copy this embed code. It's going to copy to my clipboard a code that I'm going to put right over into my portfolio. So I chose the HTML embed content button and I want to paste that in here. Now the height and the width is way too big for this setup. And similar to our labels, I've already figured out the content size. So I'm going to put that size in right here so it will fit within the pages, the page that's available. Just 1200 by 400. So now when you look at this, you're going to be able to see the video and it will auto format to the size it needs to be to keep in consistent formatting with this page.